This is a very historic moment for Kenya. It is the first time in the history of football that Kenya is hosting CHAN. We want to make it double historic. We want it to be not just the first time we are hosting CHAN, to also be the first time that we win as Kenya. Do we have a deal? Yes. We win. Yes. So tomorrow until 30th of this month at the finals, our party is Harambee Stars. All of us. All the other parties, tuweke chini. Our party is Harambee Stars, and our slogan is Stars must win.